5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 80, crest, 30, mid right over jump, 200. Bridge, flat left. Bridge, flat left, 30, right 7 short, stay in. Into left 8 plus over crest. 80, mid right over jump maybe, 50, care brake, crest, into right 8 over crest, and crest down, 50, right 8 up, be crest down, 50, right 8 up, and left 8, 100, left 7, 50, right 8 ends after crest, would be left 7, 50, right 8 ends after crest, 80, care icy until the end, left 8 half long, care icy until the end, left 8 half long, into right 8, 80, stay right over crest, 30, stay left over second crest, 30, right 8 over jump maybe, and crest, 80, don't jump it, 80, crest, and right 8 half long, into crest, there be crest, and right 8 half long, into crest, and left 8, 50, flat right over jump maybe, 80, right 8 short, into left 9, right 8 short into left 9, 30, small crest, right 8, into crest, and left 7 over small crest, half long, 30, right 9 continues over crest, and right 8 over crest continues over second crest. It would be right 9 continues over crest, and right 8 over crest continues over second crest into left 8. Into left 8, and left 7 plus over crest, 100. Stay mid over crest, flat left into icy right 6, stay in. Repeat, mid over crest, flat left into icy right 6, stay in. Into left 7 up, 30. Right 8 over crest, 30, right 7 over crest, and left 8 crest down, and left 8 continues over crest, right 8, be left 8 continues over crest, right 8, 80, flat right, into crest, and left 7 off camber, 30, or be left 7 off camber, 30, right 7 over flat crest, and left 7 opens, half long. It'll be right 7 over flat crest, and left 7 opens, half long, 30. Right 6 up into crest, 30. It'll be right 6 up into crest, 30, left 7. And right 7 tightens late short. And left 7 narrows, be right 7 tightens late short, and left 7 narrows, and right 8. 50. Late left 7 short, stay in, into right 8. Repeat, late left 7 short, stay in, into right 8. 30. Right 7 over crest, 80 over 2 small crests. Flat left, and crest, 50, care flat, crest line, and right 7. Be crest 50, care flat, crest line, and right 7. Flat, care flat, line, right 7, 30 down. Left 8 over crest, and flat right over crest, 80 up. Or be left 8 over crest, and flat right over crest, 80 up. Flat right over small crest, and flat left at junction. Or be flat right over small crest, and flat left at junction, 100 line. Caution, brake narrow, left 7, don't go wide into icy bridge. 30, left 8, into crest, and crest, left 8, 30. Left 8 into crest, and crest, left 8, 30, narrow right 6, 200. Flat right, 30. Left 8 short, stay in, or be flat right, 30. Left 8 short, stay in, into left, right 7 plus short. Be right 7 plus short, into left 8. Crest, right 7 down. Be left 8 crest, right 7 down. Flat left, 80 line. Right 7 down, flat left, 80 line. And flat left, 80 up. Mid over crest, 100. Right 8 half long, stay in on exit. Repeat, mid over crest, 100. Right 8 half long, stay in on exit. Into left 8. 30. Stay left over jump, 30. Mid right over jump, 80. Left 8. 100 line. Be mid over jump, mid right over jump, 180.
No jump.
No jump, yeah. 100 line, left 8 and small crest. Right 8 up. Be left 8, small crest, right 8 up, 30. Right 8 don't cut. And small crest, 30, left 8. Repeat, small crest, 30, left 8, line 100 line over small crest. Left 8 short, stay in into right 8 short, don't cut. Repeat, left 8 short, stay into right 8 short, don't cut. 100. Left 6 narrows, ends over second crest, 80. Repeat, left 6 narrows, ends over second crest, 80. Flat right, tightens to 7. Repeat, flat right, tightens to 7. And right 8 over small crest. Repeat, flat right, tightens to 7. And right 8 over small crest. Into...
Off camber to 7 here.
Okay. Flat left, ends over small crest, 50. Right 8. And stay mid over 2 crest, jumps, 150 line. Take it easier for the jumps. Yep. Yep, okay, 150 line. Right 8 over 2 crests, 100 down. Right 8 ends into crest, left 8. I'm gonna add don't on those jumps as well.
Yep.
Crest, left 8, and 30 into the crest. Crest, left 8, 30, left 8 half long, 30 up. Deceptive right 9 over crest. Be 30 up, deceptive right 9 over crest, 150. Crest. Left 8, tightens short over crest. Into right 8 short over small crest.
Slippery here.
Yeah. 50, right 9 over crest, and stay mid over jump maybe. 30. Left 8 and right 8 over crest, 100. Be left 8 and right 8 over crest, 100. Left 8. 30. Repeat, left 8, 30. Off camber, right 8 over crest long. Repeat, left 8, 30. Off camber, right 8 over crest long. Off camber, right 8 over crest long. And flat left into crest. Flat left crest, left 9 half long down tightens. 80 line. Right 8. 30. Flat right. 100 line. Right 7 opens, 100 up. Repeat, right 7 opens, 100 up. Flat left over crest, 50. Crest, 150. Repeat, flat left over crest, 50. Crest, 150. Left 7, 30. Crest and right 7. Repeat, left 7, 30. Crest and right 7, 30. Stay right over crest, left 9. So right 7 here, 30. Okay.
You were too ahead.
Yeah, I see. Okay, right over crest, left 9, 30. Stay mid over jump, don't jump it. Line 50, left 8 over crest. 100. Right 8 over jump, maybe. 30. Right 8 over jump, maybe there, 30. Crest, left 8. And flat left over jump, maybe. Crest left 8 and flat left over jump, maybe. 150. Right 8 over crest. 30. Left 8 short, stay in. Or be right 8 over crest. 30. Left 8 short, stay in. Into right 8. 30. Right 8 here, 30. Left 9. And right 9 over crest. 100 down. Flat right. 30. Flat left over crest through finish and right 9. Repeat, flat left over crest through finish and right 9. Okay. Sorry about that, dude.
All good.
I did add IC and then we'll do a...
Yeah, the last section from when I said it was IC, it's like that to the end.
Yeah, there was one that I added, slippy braking. That was the left 8 tight and short over crest.